Hi everyone, I'm back with another art journal video. Hope you are doing great. So today I'm working on my dilution art journal, and I will start with adding some mixed media paste onto the page using the stencil. So in today's art journal, my focus is background. I really have this idea in my head and want to try out this background. So I'm trying to capture my imagination in this page, and I hope it's going to look nice. Okay, so now the texture base is dry. Now I'll start adding some color onto the page. These are the two colors that I'm using today. Somehow I am feeling that this combination is going to look very amazing, so that's what I'm trying here. So I have this makeup blush sort of brush which I'm using to apply the color, and believe me, doing it on a television art journal which is of A5 size is not easy. I got tired in between, so it's always better to have a blending foam with you. I did not have the blending foam with me in hand. I have this makeup brush, so that's what I'm using. So as you can see right now, it's looking like a hot mess, but believe me, it's the magic is in not giving up quickly and keep on layering even when your wrist is aching. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just covering up the gaps by putting the color back again and again and again until I'm happy that it's looking smooth and blended well. Both the colors are blended well. So once I'm happy with how the page is looking, obviously it's a distress oxide paint, so have to do the mandatory splatter thing, water splatter. So it's looking very nice. So I did the big splatters, but I felt that I need fine splatters onto the page too, so I'm using the spritzer directly onto the page, which definitely makes fine splatters. So when the page is dry, I have taken a wet tissue, wet wipe, and I'm removing the color from the texture paste, so that will give a very nice variation to the page. And removing the color will help showing the pooling of the color which happens on around the texture paste. Though I have not done any kind of water ink smooshing techniques, it's still there because of thanks to the splatters. And now what I'm doing is, because I can see that violet color on the blue spread, so what I did was I uh, watered down the colors, both the colors, and I'm doing reverse splatters. So blue is going on violet and violet is going on the blue, and somehow I'm sort of liking this, looking very nice. So till now I'm very happy with the page, and now I'm going to use this pigment white ink and this stencil. This is a local stencil. Does not have a brand, so I'm not sure from where it is. So I'm using this pigment white ink to add the texture from the stencil. And yeah, the idea came to my mind that I could have used a wet wipe for doing this, but I really wanted to control this impression. Somewhere I wanted it light and somewhere I wanted this white color to be showing up. So that is the reason I used the pigment white color instead of a wet wipe for doing this technique. And seriously, I'm really happy with how the background is looking. It's really reflecting my happy mood. Oh yes, the reason for that is the monsoon is here, the heat period is gone, and seriously loving it. So I did feel that the art journal page needed an edge, so I'm using jet black ink to give it a very slight border to the edge, and now it's time to add the focal point. And so I have this image of a boy which I have fussy cut from a digital print from Art House Whimsy, and I'm trying to add some elements with this focal element, and I'm not liking what I'm doing. So I first started with a ticket which had the same complementing color as that in the background, but it was not going well. So I tried using this film strip die cut along with the book page, and no, I did not like it. The focal element was too petite for applying with the film strip, so I cancelled this idea too. And eventually I had this background uh, pa- page saved from some packaging, so I trimmed it, and I uh, distressed the edge with the help of a scissor. I colored again with the same black ink because I don't want to introduce any new color, and I put the focal element on top of this page, and it somehow clicked. And now, because I did edit some black on the edges of the art journal, so I thought it's okay to introduce a little black to the page, and so that's what I did. I had this die cut which was cut in the form of circles, which looks like bubbles, so that's what I used, and as something to highlight the focal element. And now it's time to add the quote, and I'm going to use this circles die cut with the quote too, so as to complement and balance out the pages on both the side. And guys, this is the page, and here is a close-up. Loving all the lovely texture on the page. It's like the page is having a blast. That's what I am feeling while looking at these beautiful colors with all the texture on it. So I hope you like this page. If you guys liked it, please give it a like, leave comments below, and share with friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.